How to change currency pair on MetaTrader 5. Are you guys facing issues to change MetaTrader 5 currency pair? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 5 on your mobile devices. Once you open the app, now look at the left bottom of your screen where you can see the option for Cortex. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see multiple currency pairs over here. If you want to change a currency pair to AUD CHF, then just simply tap on it and click on chart. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change currency pair on MetaTrader 5. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.